SPanel review, watch before using. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video we'll take a look at this all-in-one cloud management platform which is called SPanel. If you'd like to use it, you can find the link in the description, so I definitely recommend you to use this link. In this case you'll get 30-day money back guarantee, also like best prices, sometimes they have some discounts, and basically let's discover what's this platform about. So it's all-in-one hosting platform, like we have admin, user and email interface, different security system, custom branding, easy WordPress management, powerful HTTP API and CLI. Also we have like, it's ideal for developers and hosting companies. It has hassle-free management, so yeah, I can definitely recommend you to use SPanel. They have a lot of reviews on Trustpilot and on other platforms, so we can discover all the features here. We have the admin interface, client interface, so it could be really helpful. And if you want to use a SPanel, we of course need to discover their prices. So what can we find here? So we have a different amount of accounts, of course, like up to 5, 30 and 100, entry, pro and agency. And here we have the subscription, like $20 per month, 25 and 39, almost $40 per month. So on all the plans we'll get all SPanel features, full-time server management, free website migration, free installation and server configuration, and a free soft close one-click installer. So the main difference is in the amount of accounts we can use. So I can definitely recommend you to use SPanel. And basically, as you can see, competitors like SPanel, Direct Admin, and SPanel. So yeah, as you can see, SPanel is much better than others, so I can definitely recommend you to use it. And if you decided, don't forget to use the link. So I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.